If you wear glasses and you think that you're missing out, you certainly aren't. We at Glamrs are going to show you how you can make your geek chic look just very trendy. Hi, I'm Pallavi Symons, your makeup expert on Glamrs.com. Today at Glamrs, we decided to address geek chic, and to make that simple for you, basically there's a host of women that wear glasses and they feel they're missing out on makeup and the benefits that it has for them. I'm going to show you today how you can place your products in such a way that your eye does come through even through your glasses and all the reflections that bounce off the glasses. Now what I've done with her is prepped. I've done the concealer and foundation as you would normally do it, but over a primer. On Diksha, I'm going to use a Faces eyeshadow from a palette called Amythest. Now I choose to use slightly reflective and maybe even paler tones, because what happens is when you wear glasses, there's so much shadow that falls just on the crease and completely eliminates the brow bone. So you want your makeup to focus on the eyeball and just over the crease. Try not to work your eyeshadow above the crease because you're completely missing that part. Make sure you use a soft color here. It can even be pinks, peaches, light beiges, champagne, any of that. But try and make sure that it's a color that reflects back so you can see it through the glasses and your eyes remain open. Using a flat brush because I want a fair amount of color there. Just working the shadow over her lid. Working the color till about 3/4 of the eyelid. Now on the crease, I'm going to use a warm brown from a Clinique palette called Teddy Bear. So take a bit of the color and use it in the corner. And if you notice, I'm working it into the crease but not above. So you can deepen that, stick to within the crease, and deepen as much as you please. Just repeat on the other side. Using the same brown eyeshadow, go over the bottom lash line as well. I'm just going to swap back to the flat brush that I used earlier. Just work the color in. All you're doing is opening up the eye basically. An eyeliner is a glass wearer's best friend, but just make sure that whatever you do, you keep within this part, which is well within the frames. I'm going to use a Revlon black Kohl as a liner and just lining the top of her lids. Using a slanted brush, I'm going to soften that off. Just picking that up a little bit in the corners. Just to give it some kind of definition. I'm just doing the same thing underneath, a tiny amount of the black into the lash line. And then I'm going to smudge it off with the same brush. I'm just repeating the same thing on the other side. And just clean off if there's any fall. Now, for somebody who wears glasses, you must know that the eyelashes normally, when you wear glasses, they tend to crush themselves against the frames. And you don't want it's irritating and it really comes in the way. So I would suggest that everybody invest in an eyelash curler because it really is a must. So I'm going to use a MAC eyelash curler. Now if you give it a good squeeze, that lifts your eyelashes right up. And once you put the mascara, it sets it and so it doesn't fall back straight. So you know that your eyelashes are going to stay out of the way. So give your eyelashes a good squeeze and set it quickly with the mascara. I'm going to use Lash Architect, a mascara by L'Oreal, and just go really close to the roots and color in. One of the most important things to remember if you're somebody that wears glasses is you cannot not groom your eyebrows, because your glasses sit exactly where all the attention is drawn to your eyebrows, because that's really the only thing you can see above the frames. So you need to have very groomed eyebrows. Even if it just takes you a minute, make sure that you run in a color and straighten them up and use a setting gel to keep them in place. Now I'm going to get to the cheeks. I'm going to use an Inglot powder blush, like a gentle tick, so you have color, but it's visible where your glasses are not sitting. Once that is done, you can go with the lip. I'm going to use a Chambor lipstick called Rouge Plump. It's a really nice sparky pink. Now, the great part about being somebody that wears glasses is that your mouth is your canvas. You can really have fun with your mouth. So, enjoy and play with your lips, create shapes, use gloss, matte lips, bright colors, all of it. This color is pretty opaque, which is why I'm using it without a lip liner. But if you want to shape your lips, you could use a lip liner. So make sure that you bring all the attention there, shape your lips perfectly. There, it's a full-on pink. So once you're fully ready, you can make sure you wear your glasses and still look super sexy.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.